Tyler Speedy here. So today I'm bringing you guys an analysis on Alibaba, or $Baba. They got the ticker up here, BABA. Now it's Alibaba Group Holding. You guys probably noticed, a competitor of Amazon. Now I've been looking at this stock, and we have been trading this for quite some time. Now the more time we have, when we keep on looking over this, we keep on having some more data. Now I'm really big. I love Jack Ma. I love Alibaba. I really love the ideas of this company. Now, we have to look at some things. Is international growth doable? Can you handle the risk of this company? You know, it's compared to Amazon stock. I mean, we're sitting at $187 per share. If we're looking at the weekly average, I mean, it pretty much just averages since, let's go ahead and go back to, let's look at the start of 2018. Where is it at? Since 2018, it's only ranged about $15 per share. That's pretty decent. So let me go ahead and let me delete that really quick. So what I'm looking at is this. We keep on seeing Alibaba move sideways, but every time it comes down to this this indicator right here, the 26-day moving average, we see it reject. Now there's a couple different things we can do. We already know the trend is bullish just by looking at this chart. I'm going to go ahead and take off the lagging indicator really quick. I don't use this unless I'm trading ICHIMOKU breakouts. If you guys want to learn how to trade my ICHIMOKU breakout strategy, if you go back in my YouTube channel, you'll be able to see that video. It's super informative, and it'll help you guys a lot. Be able to stop getting faked out and find out how to trade ICHIMOKU breakouts. So based off of this chart, I mean, we can clearly tell that the trend's bullish. Now, I tell my members this. If there's no setup, there's no trade. So basically, this is really self-explanatory. This is going to be easy trade. I would look to take a long right here. I'm going to put my stop loss. You can do two ways. You can put it right here if you're aggressive, but I'd prefer to have it right here. Why? Because if I'm having my stop loss right here, if it breaks through this 26-day, the next level would be down here or this level. I'd rather just take my losses short and then look to re-enter later on, you know, move at this level or down here at the cloud. And just based off the volume of this chart, it's got a lot of volume right now. The only thing is these are flat. But I'd like to catch the bounce. I'd like to catch it going back up. And if we can break these previous highs, we can see Alibaba stock go a lot higher. I personally would like to see it go to at least 240, 250 by year end. So that would be my analysis on Baba.